At WWDC 2026, Apple redefined the baseline requirements for a modern development environment. The highly anticipated release of Xcode 27 introduced native, multi-model agentic coding directly into the heart of the compiler ecosystem. This update moves the software engineering industry away from traditional line-by-line syntax autocomplete toward autonomous logic generation. For candidates navigating the current hiring landscape, a portfolio focused on manual syntax typing demonstrates a lack of familiarity with these orchestration tools, a signal that often leads to immediate rejection in enterprise interviews. The architecture of Xcode 27 utilizes a bifurcated dual-tier system. Tier 1 operates as a local, zero-latency model. To maintain this speed, the IDE relies on the dedicated 16-core neural engine within Apple Silicon. This local model is responsible for predicting inline methods and validating real-time logic. Constraining syntax and logic validation to the local edge ensures code privacy and provides the instantaneous feedback loop required for active development. While Tier 1 handles immediate syntax, the second tier manages complex, multi-file code-based manipulation. Tier 2 is a native multi-model API bridge integrated into the editor. From this bridge, Xcode calls upon massive cloud-based foundation models, such as Anthropic's Claude, OpenAI's ChatGPT, and Google's Gemini. Developers trigger this high compute layer using the /plan command. The agent then autonomously generates multi-file refactors and comprehensive test suites, eliminating the need for manual structural coding. A common technical interview trap is confusing the computational parameters of a local edge neural network with those of a cloud-based transformer. Because these tiers have different latency profiles and security constraints, failing to distinguish between them indicates a surface-level understanding of the stack that enterprise recruiters are trained to identify. Unlike a standard language model in a terminal, Xcode 27 possesses awareness of the runtime environment. This awareness stems from deep integration with the Apple OS layer via the new Device Hub. Agents can now autonomously deploy a build directly onto an active iOS simulator. Once deployed, the agent executes UI tests and validates accessibility configurations within the live app. By reading live previews and playgrounds, the agent identifies and troubleshoots runtime crashes dynamically. This environmental awareness shifts the role of the developer from a manual programmer to a director of a reactive software ecosystem. Project-based learning must prioritize orchestration over manual boilerplate construction. The primary technical objective for the next hiring cycle is mastering the App Intents framework. Applications that fail to expose their native logic to Siri and external agents will be functionally obsolete in this new ecosystem. Success now depends on the ability to engineer highly structured backends, enforce clear system boundaries, and secure data provenance. Apple has demonstrated that the future of development belongs to the orchestrators and system designers. Manual line writing is no longer the path forward. Class dismissed.